Hi guys, welcome back to the Artificer channel. Today we are going to review the Gaz-51A from Military Wheels. Military Wheels is a company based in Poland and they have done lots of kits in the past that I've bought from. Some of them are good, some of them you have seen reviewed already, like the T-34 variant that was used in Vietnam. We're going to have a look at this one. Now inside we have a selection of sprues and we'll just have a look and see what we get. So you've got everything all nicely put together in the bag, which I really appreciate. I don't like loose parts hanging around. So you've got 1, 2, and you've got 3 sprues. Not that many pieces it looks like. And let's have a look at the instructions. So the instructions are nice and simple. They give you a guide as to paint schemes. They give you a guide as to the numbers on the sprue. And also the decals at the top, so make sure you got everything in the kit. And it looks very simple. You've got a couple of steps. You've got the engine there, nice detail looks like, and you've got the chassis with the engine. You've got the cab construction, and you've got the back of the containment unit as well, and the wheels. So it looks straightforward. It looks like a kit that would be easily put together. So let's have a look at the sprue. Oh dear, that is a lot of excess flashing and shifting of the mold itself and the wheels. Some really thick plastic. It's not easy to clean up, I don't think. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's the chassis. That didn't look too good. Right, so let's have a look at the next sprue, and we'll leave that for now. Let's have a look. Okay, detail is a little bit better, I would say, but there's a lot of open seam lines. Again, it looks like a really thick plastic that's been used here. Very brittle, I believe. Not sure. Not really happy with the flashing. Let's have a look at the last sprue. The engine detail looks ominous. And it looks very, I'm not sure about the sprue for this kit. It's not as good as I thought it would be. And I believe it's going to be challenging to build. And in fact, it was challenging to build. I'll put that video out, don't worry, it's a bit of a horror show. Now, decals really made up for the kit itself. You know, they're a good set of decals. You can use them in any other vehicle. I wouldn't be worried about those. Glass panels. Yeah. Crack on the back windscreen. Configuration at the front that doesn't look like it works quite well. Kind of has a lot of scratches as well. Not sure about this kit. If you're going to get it, it's unique. But I would say it might be very much a challenging build. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time for the next review. Cheers.